What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about cryptocurrencies to purchase, right? Because people always want to know what's on my list. What's a keeper token? What's something that you see as your favorite position out there? People like that video. There's just a lot of different lists that people want to know. And for this list, I want to go through cryptocurrencies that you can get that are under $1, right? People want to know the cheapest tokens that you can buy that have a lot of potential. So I have a lot, some that I'm holding, some that I'm not holding, but just things that have so much potential that you really don't want to pass them up, and that you can also buy a decent amount and see it run its course, right? Live its life and get up to a higher level where you feel like you're in the beginning stages of those projects. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. The link is down there in the description. And if you guys want to check out my Patreon, that link is also in the description. But again, this list is very important to have, right? You can have a bunch of different plays like a Bitcoin or Ethereum, but Bitcoin is $30,000. Ethereum is $2,000, right? Or more specifically, $1,870 at the moment. You know, you have BNB that's $250. And anytime you want to hold a position, you don't want to just hold a portion of it or a fraction of what that coin is. If you're going to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you hold 1/30th of that, right? You hold a very small amount compared to holding one Bitcoin. Same thing with Ethereum. If you wanted to buy $1,000 worth of Ethereum, you're still only holding, about 50 or 60% of a full coin. So people want to hold coins, whether you have $1,000 or you have $5. So that's why I want to take you through this list. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. The first position that I want on this list is Cardano. Cardano is a play that I've held for a while. I bought it, ended up making some money from it, saw that the market was coming down, sold it, ended up getting a lot more Cardano. And I think right now I have about 10,000 Cardano. I want to say that's how much I have. But I was able to purchase it a lot lower, and I see it as an opportunity. That's where Cardano is right now, 28 cents. It is up 7% today, and we're seeing a lot of things that are increasing. So definitely make sure you tread lightly with all of these positions. You tread lightly because you are seeing gains, and anytime you see gains, you may end up seeing a pullback off of those gains. But if we're seeing the official bull market start, things are going to run to a whole nother level. So you kind of have to choose whether you're going to make that move now or make that move later. It is at a lower price, still seeing it at 28 cents. It's still a lower price compared to the high points that it has been at. Now, this position for, a high price, the highest price that it's been in the last year was about 59 cents, but the highest price that it's been overall is about $3.10. So it definitely has the ability to grow to a lot higher of a level. But I also see it growing further than that, right? Cardano has a lot more use to it than a lot of people, see it, right? And I know there's a ton of people that do see the use as well. But Cardano is definitely a great project, seeing it all the way up to, $100 billion market cap. So anyways, that's the position. It's under $1. It's 28 cents, and seeing it get up to $1, you're looking at about, and I'm rounding down, I guess, a 4x, right? A 4x return. The next position that I wanted to talk about is one that a lot of people mention pretty much on a daily basis. Why? Because there is a court case, right? There is a case basically saying that Ripple is selling unregistered securities. You're seeing, XRP as an unregistered security in their eyes. So XRP is that play, right? You're seeing 49 cents is at that price. It's 50 cents total. I bought it at about 39 cents. It still is at a higher price compared to where I bought it, but it is at a low price compared to where people believe that this is going to be. This has predictions all the way up to $100,000 or hundreds of thousands of dollars per token or per coin. So this is huge, right? Seeing that you have that high of a prediction knows that you have a larger window of where this can get to. It's under $1 and it has that much potential. It's already at a $26 billion market cap. So you definitely want to pick and choose whether you're going to make this move or make a move into something that is at a lower market cap. But it definitely has the ability to grow, and I've seen it. The next position that I want to talk about, I don't want to spend too much time on every position because then it ends up being a 30-minute video. The next position that I wanted to talk about is a position that is my favorite. And if you saw the video that I created, I think it was yesterday or the day before that, this is my favorite project that I hold. And that position is CRO. Crypto.com's coin, Cronos, that was Crypto.com coin and now is considered Cronos or CRO, is a great project. It's at a very, very low price compared to where it has been. It's at 5 cents, 5.6 cents. It is up 3.8% today. We're seeing the volume that's up 71%. But this price that it has gotten to as a high, when you look at this position, the high over the last year was about 15 cents or 16 cents. The highest point that it has been to is about 96 or almost 97 cents. Now, at that level, that's still only a $20 billion market cap. I believe that this can compete with BNB, which has been at a $120 billion market cap, meaning that this can get up to not only the level that it has been at with a $20 billion market cap, but also to, 5 times where that is, right? So you're looking at a $120 billion market cap there and looking at a $5 price for a CRO, as well as maybe seeing some burns that are associated with it as well, and then seeing an even higher price. So CRO is definitely a play. Seeing that only at 5 cents, that's a big play for me, in my opinion. The next play that we need to talk about is another position that I mention quite frequently, which would be JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin, just when you look at the position and you look at where it was, the reason why I'm so bullish on it was because I was bullish on the fact that it was making moves before it was fully diluted. It was at 5%, with the full supply, and now you're seeing 95% of the entire supply, meaning that it cannot be diluted, but they can take supply away, right? Supply can be held within staking or whatever, right? It can be taken away versus added. So that means that the price based on just the supply will not be decreased. It won't be diluted. You're seeing it currently at 43% of a penny, so it's not even at a cent yet, and it has so much ability to grow. So if you wanted to invest a hell of a lot into it, you could do that. Now, I'm not telling you that you have to. I'm telling you that you might want to look into this a little bit more. You look at the volume to market cap ratio, you're looking at 20%, which is high. That's great to see that you're seeing a $206 million market cap with $42 million that's flowing through it. Popularity is definitely high within this position. So that's why I'm very, very bullish on that play. And the last one that I wanted to bring to the table that a lot of people may look at and they go, well, is that truly an investment? Is that truly a coin? And is this considered just a cop-out to put 5 on the list? No, it's not. What I wanted to talk about is kind of a category, which would be stablecoins. It's anything that's under $1, and stablecoins can range and go under $1. Now, are they under $1 right now? No, you're going to see some that are above $1. You're going to see some that go back and forth, right? That's at $1 or at 99 cents. But the purpose of this is to see gains within where you're purchasing, right? If you can find a way to purchase it for 99 cents and end up selling it at $1.01 or $1.02, you can end up turning a profit from this position. And a lot of people end up doing it time in and time out, right? Day in and day out. They end up gaining a lot from just doing that, knowing that a stable coin is going to get back to being stable versus being, at 95 cents. Tether a while ago was, depegged. It was at a level of like 95 or 96 cents and people were buying it. And they were able to make off of every single one that they had, they were able to easily make and know that it was going to come back to a level of $1 or even more. They were able to make 5 cents per coin that they held, which is not crazy, but it definitely is a profit. And you can easily turn a profit if you can find the right times to do that. So that's my list, guys. There are definitely a lot of other ones, and you could say, what about Terra Luna Classic? What about Pepe? What about all these ones that are, you know, a fraction of a cent? You know, Shiba Inu, all of those. I didn't want to mention those. I feel like I mentioned those in basically every video. These are ones that people look at in the top 100 or have a lot of popularity and a lot of volume into it right now, that will be somewhere close to a penny, right? You don't see any that's not really close to a penny. And I mean to rhyme there, but I did. So guys, let me know what you think about this list. Do you have any stable coins, or sorry, do you have any positions that are less than a penny or less than $1 that you feel are going to absolutely explode? And don't come to me and just mention things like, you know, Volt or whatever, right? All of those plays that are there. Let's talk about let's any plays that are in the top 100. If you have any of those that are or a top 500. Let's go top 500. If you have any of those that you feel as though are worth it for a lot of people to see, feel free to put it in the comment section below. I'm always interested to see what people think. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.